Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, I am Ayu Rama Sapitri, will present about the research variable. At first, I will tell you about the definition of the research variable. A research variable is an object or what is attention of the research point based on Bonsted 1982. A research is a characteristic of the people, object, or event that differ in the value that found in the person, object, or event. So, this research variable in a study research became the determining data point for the research framework used. Basically, a research variable is anything in the form that determined by the research to study, so that the information obtained about it. Then the conclusions are drawn. Okay, next there are two types of the research variable. For the first is a categorical variable, and the second is a continuous variable. At first, we will talk about the categorical variable. A categorical variable are a variable whose selection is carried out categorically by taking into account qualitative difference. This variable doesn't have a fraction. The number of variable categories can be 2 or more. So, the categorical variable is a variable in the form of categorizing data or group based on the types of the variable. This variable also obtain the number of the categorizing data. For example, the categorizing data of the based on the table gender, male and female, and then the categorical of the metal such as aluminum, silver, iron, and second is a continuous variable. A continuous variable is a variable that differs in the quantitative variable, which has a value that related in the several levels or degree, which is continuous from the less to more, and can apply the number to different the individual object to indicate how many the variable that they have. At least this variable has a value and can be expressed in a fraction. So we can conclude that continuous variable is a variable that can be operated mathematically. Data for continuous variable are obtained in the process of the measuring that contain the quantitative data in the form of the mathematical numerical number. Okay, next, there are three types of the classification of the continuous variable, such as ordinal data, interval data, and ratio data. Okay, for the first is ordinal data. Ordinal data is a ranking data. For example, is ranking 1, 2, and 3. The number of ranking 1, 2, 3 have the higher or lower definition. For example, is a student who get a ranking 1 certainly better than student who get a ranking 2. What needs to be noticed is we cannot add up the ranking 1 and 2. Second is interval data. An interval data is data can be used in arithmetica operation. For example, the credits 1 given by 50 minutes, and for the credits 2 will given 100 minutes. And the last is a ratio data. Ratio data is a measurement data that can also be used in calculation operation. The number data in the ratio data is a real number, not only as a symbol. For example, the number of the weight of someone, and the height, the score, the length, and etc. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. I'm so sorry if I have a lot of mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.